Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Retool forms to create a customer onboarding app, full guide step by step clearly. To start, open Retool and sign into your account. Create a new application by clicking on the Create New button. Choose a blank canvas for your onboarding app. Next, look for the Components panel on the left side of the screen. Drag and drop a form component onto your canvas. Add text input fields for the necessary customer information. For example, include fields for the customer's name, email, and phone number. Label each field clearly for better user understanding. To customize the form's appearance, select the Style tab on the right panel. Adjust font sizes, colors, and padding to match your brand's design. Now, go back to the Components panel and search for the button component. Drag the button below the form to serve as a submission trigger. Label the button as Submit or Create Customer. Next, it's time to set up the backend for data processing. In the left panel, click on the Resources tab. Add a new resource for the database where you wish to store customer data. Select the appropriate database type based on your needs. Configure the database connection by providing the necessary credentials. Once the connection is established, return to your form. Click on the form component and navigate to the Data tab in the right panel. In the Data Source section, choose your newly created resource. Set the action type to Insert to add new customer records. Map the input fields in the form to the corresponding database fields. Now, go back to the button component you added earlier. In the button settings, navigate to the Event Handlers section. Add a new action that triggers on button click. Select the action type as Run Query and choose the insert query you just set up. You can also add a notification action after the form is submitted. This helps inform users that their information has been successfully captured. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.